Hello, this is Joanna from living in Salvador. Here in our store and buying some dog food for the dogs in our farm and buying some molasses. This is a Huachapan market right here and they sell everything. Y aquí estamos en el Huachapan Mercado. And that's like the only place over here from all the stores that says molasses. Y este lugar es solito que vende molasses. This market over here is pretty big and it's always super busy over here. Here's Rambo. He wants to play. He thinks he's a big boy now. He wants to play with the girls. He is 3 months old now. He's getting used to the girls. Better be careful though. Look at this chubby girl coming. Look at this big chubby girl coming. Hi, Nina. Hi. Hi, Nina. Hola, Nina. There's Rambo. You better watch out, Rambo. Gotta be careful. There's the girls. You gotta move, Rambo. They're gonna hurt you. He's been scratching with Pancha all day, with this one right there. He's been scratching and playing. Look at him. The girls are silly. So these girls have been playing and pushing each other all morning, and we don't like that since we believe most of them are pregnant and sometimes they hit each other really hard. Estas niñas han estado jugando y empujándose toda la mañana y eso no nos gusta porque ya que creemos que la mayoría de ellas están embarazadas y a veces se golpean muy fuerte. And there's Pancha and there's Rambo. Girls, stop it. What are you guys doing? Hey, be nice. Shh. Niñas. Niñas. Shh. Stop it. Rambo, you're gonna get hurt. These girls been going forever today. They're going crazy. They love playing. Silly girls. Yeah, you run away, Rambo. The girls are getting too rough now. Las vaquitas son locas ahora. Le gustan jugar. Niñas. Shh. They're gonna get ahead, Rambo. There's Pancha. There's Pancha. Hola, niña. Hola, beautiful. Hola. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay, beautiful. So, today is super windy. I just finished cleaning this whole area. And you know the poop. This whole area I just finished. There's waters. Cleaned all the poop around here. Yo limpié toda la caca de vaca. I try to clean it every day when I'm here. Because when you clean it every day, it goes really fast. The problem is when I'm not here, the poop doesn't get cleaned every day. So hopefully they can change that routine and clean the poop every day and get our cows. My husband just brought him the grass. He brought him some food over there earlier. So they were eating all this time. Now he brought this tall grass, green grass, which they love. There's my little Blanca and Luna and Negra or Oreo. She's so pregnant. Hola, Luna. Yeah, Blanca's so pregnant. She is ready to have a baby. The baby puts on the baby. This is Luna. She still doesn't want to be touched. Right here. Hola. Luna. Oreo. Huge troublemaker. She's the biggest troublemaker we have. Love this green stuff. And we build them this sleeve, which I'm loving it. That's how they enter to the other side now. So we built this walkway so that we can inject the cows. We already injected them with the vitamins, but we still have to inject them for the parasites. Y esto construimos esta pasarela para poder inyectar las vacas. Ya les inyectamos vitaminas, pero aún tenemos que inyectarlas para los parásitos. So the girls, like I said, they love the green stuff, especially now in summertime where there is no much green stuff. And my husband brought some more beans. And tomorrow I think they should be finishing cleaning up the myceo. Like I said, the owner or the person that was renting this acre from us, he only cut the corn and he sold us the myceo. So the myceo is ours. So we cut, I think, half of an acre yesterday, and so tomorrow the boys will do the rest. And here's my Bea. There's Bonita. Brownie. My Bea. She's the best. She's the cuddliest. So here's our girls. Here's our girls. But it's very windy today. There's Brownie. And there's Caramella. Now I was gonna go get water because the cows finished all their water over there and we don't have running water right now. So we have to go fill up the buckets with the water from the containers over there. Hola, Blanquita. Hola, baby. Hola, you're so nice. Don't be afraid. And there's Luna. And Oreo. Oreo's terrible. And there's garbage flying everywhere. Hey, you little thief. You little thief. Nice and fatso. Especially those two. Oreo. Oreo likes to eat the most. Oh, Reina, what are you doing? Be nice. Be nice, Reina. Hola, Reina. Hola, Reina. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hola. Hola, yes. Beautiful girl. Yes, ouch. Beautiful girl. You can't bite me. You can lick me, but not bite me. Here. More green stuff. Here. No, you don't want it? Why don't you want it? Look at her. My beautiful Reina. Yeah. Hola, Reina. Hola. That's our beautiful Reina. gorgeous. And there's Rambo. Rambo, what are you doing? I love my girls. So beautiful. And there's our Rambo. He's been doing so good. All the girls are really, really good. Very good girls, except Oreo. Oreo's a little bit troublemaker. And sometimes this one's a little troublemaker. And where's the other one? Oh yeah, and the one over there, the white one. Far, far over there with cut off here. Those three are pretty bad. They're troublemakers. Right, Oreo? You're the biggest troublemaker, yes. First it was the white cow over there. She was the biggest troublemaker. But now it seems like Oreo likes to be the troublemaker. Here's our beautiful view. So now I'm just gonna take a break. A little break. Like I said, I was gonna go grab the water, but now the boys are taking water right there. My husband and Raul are filling up those containers because they got empty. The cows got thirsty. Los vacas tienen sed y ahora no tenemos agua potable. Entonces necesitamos llenar las cubetas con las cubetas de tanques allá. Y aquí es nuestro Rambo. Hola, niña. Hola, beautiful. This is Pancha. This is Pancha and this is Luna. Are you crying, Luna? No crying. Hola, niña. No crying. She has a tear in her eye. Maybe too windy. Hola, niña. It's Pancha. Luna. And so this is our day at the farm. There's our beautiful girls. They've been eating all day. Lots of food today. My husband and Raul grabbed some food twice. So yes. These are our new friends. Right, Negra? Her name is Negra. Yeah. And that's her friend. So she's our guard dog. Right, Negra? She's Emia's dog. Y estas son nuestras nuevas amigas. Son perras de Emias, pero se quedan aquí casi todo el tiempo. Sobre todo Negra, que es una buena perra guardiana. And in this container we have molasses that we bought for the cows. Y aquí están molasses for las vacas. Hola, Caramela. Hola, chula. The cows got thirsty after eating all this food all this time. Hola, chula. Hola. Yes. Beautiful chula. There's Caramela. Right, Caramela. Yeah, she's friendly now. She used to be afraid. Yeah, so when they drink a lot of water. They can finish this one bucket so fast. Hey, Nina. She's gorgeous. She's one of our tallest, biggest cows. Right, Nina? And she loves Huggies too. She's gorgeous. She's absolutely beautiful. Her skin's so nice. Hola, Negra. Now I have two of them licking me. Yeah, niñas. Yeah, she's gorgeous. Yes, beautiful. Yes, don't get scratched. Don't get scratched. Right. Don't get scratched. No, she's gorgeous. Her skin is so smooth and beautiful. Like I said, she's the tallest. She's the biggest and the tallest. And my Rambo's so big. Come on. Rambo wanted out. So I got him out. He's so big now. He's like up to here on me now. Within a week. It's a huge, huge difference. I haven't seen him in a week. Right, Rambo? Yeah. He's gorgeous. He's getting chubby. My husband and Raul brought another truckload of food for the cows. Mi esposo y Raúl trajeron otra camioneta de comida para las vacas. Hola, niñas. Hola, niñas. This one's so beautiful. And this is our washroom vanity. Y aquí está una vanidad de baño. And this is our washroom. Almost done. Tuesday, I think we're gonna have the toilet in. The tiles are looking nice. Shower is looking very nice. Tomorrow they'll finish these tiles. I'm putting grout in all the tiles. And the toilet's gonna go there. And this is where the sink's gonna go. So it's looking pretty good. Right now we're just gonna leave the wall the way it is. We're not gonna put any stucco on or anything like that right now. But the tiles are looking very nice. It's bigger than we thought it was gonna be. Big, beautiful washroom. And here's the living room and kitchen. We brought our fridge and stove and freezer from Ciudad Real. And the doors over there. Trajimos el refrigerador y estufa. We have the hammock over here. So yeah, stuff to put tiles everywhere. So we still have a lot of work and cleaning up to do. There's mess everywhere. We cleaned most of the mess in front of the house, but we still have a lot of cleaning up. So yeah, all around the house, all around this, we have to clean all this stuff up. Así que todavía tenemos mucho trabajo y limpieza que hacer. Hay un desastre por todas partes. Limpiamos casi todo el desorden frente de la casa, pero aún tenemos mucho que limpiar. And yeah, just because I come here on a weekends, I only have so much time to clean. And usually it's just the house. So the bedrooms, the windows are put in, installed, but like everything's on the top of the bed because I have no place to put anything on. And this is where we sleep in a tent still because it is pretty cold without the windows and the doors. So we do sleep in a tent. And yeah, so a lot of cleaning up to do. Just happy we have the fridge and a stove now because I can start cooking over here. But otherwise still a lot of work. And that's our little update for now on our farm. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.